Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Got a super quick video for you today. We're going to be installing some side camera covers in carbon fiber to match some of the other carbon fiber accents I've done on my car. Let's get into it. So taking a quick look at what we're going to be installing today is just some really nice carbon fiber, genuine carbon fiber side camera covers. You get one for each side of your actual repeater cameras here, and it looks really nice. I took a look at these off camera, and I wanted to show you guys everything that they kind of come with. A really nice 3M adhesive tape on the inside. They're extremely lightweight, right? These are going to look great. And they got that matte carbon fiber finish that I've done on several other areas of my car. I really like how it looks. I like how it catches the light. It's super subtle. You know, it's not going to make a huge difference or stand out a ton when we install it, but I really like that matte carbon fiber finish. My spoiler, my mirror cover, some of my other accessories are also in this matte carbon fiber, so I really like how they look. So let's go ahead and get this prepped and get them installed. So the first step in installing any kind of adhesion accessory or anything that sticks onto your Tesla is they always include these adhesion promoters. So definitely open one of these. I just did it off camera. I opened this up. I wiped it all down. My car's a little bit dirty, so I wanted to make sure all those oils, dust, any waxes, anything that I've wiped on here isn't there. So after we get the surface prepped, it's all nice and dry now. I'm going to go ahead and spend some time peeling off these actual sticky 3M adhesive things. Sometimes I find these difficult to peel off, so sometimes I have to use a X-Acto knife just to get underneath each strip without pulling off the sticky adhesive itself. And now that we have all the adhesive exposed, let's go ahead and line it up real good, and we'll see how it turns out. After I get it stuck on there, I like to take just a kind of a microfiber towel or any kind of towel. So I don't like to use my hands. I like to kind of push with a non-friction surface to really kind of make sure that adhesion is sticking. And I really like how that turned out. Give you guys kind of a quick look here as we did the passenger side. Again, it's subtle, right? It doesn't interfere with any of your camera or anything like that. It's going to look just fine and work great. You still get that matte finish all along the actual camera housing. This is just that upper cover. I've done covers before that have more of I don't know, detail, I guess, that comes down the side here. I like these subtle covers. They really match with some of my other carbon fiber accents, like blacking out my mirror caps. I really like how that looks. That's all those are matte carbon fiber, and so is that. Let's go do the driver's side now. Well guys, I promised you a quick video and we're all done. This was super simple, right? Very easy stick-on accessory, but I really like that matte carbon fiber finish. Looks really sharp, it's subtle, and I like how it really blacks out my mirrors. These are normally painted to match your actual Tesla, and so mine are always red. And I really like this blacked out look. I think it gives it kind of a sporty, different vibe. Just another way to customize your Tesla. No big deal if you don't like it. If you don't like carbon fiber, that's fine. But I really do. I like this matte carbon fiber finish a lot. My spoiler's in the matte carbon fiber. I think it looks really sharp. I like how it catches the light. So super simple install. Took me about 5 minutes for each side, even less, cleaning it all up, making sure it's stuck on real well. It's a really cool accessory. I got these from Tesery, so if you ever shop at Tesery, make sure you use the code GAMBLE1080 right here on the screen. I'll have these linked down in the description for you as well. I think it saves you about 15–20% right now, something like that on their website. So make sure you shop at Tesery and use the code GAMBLE1080. It really does help me out. It is a small affiliate code, so we do get a very small commission when you do use that code and no additional cost to you. So it does help me out. Thank you guys for using that code. If you're interested in anything else that I've done to my Tesla, make sure you check out my Amazon storefront down in the description there for you. And yeah, my Model Y playlist. I have about 150 videos. We're coming up on 150 videos of my channel. So just exciting time. Thank you guys so much for checking out the video. Feel free to like and subscribe. We'll catch you in the next video. Have a great day.